Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down, choose System, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then go into Theme over here, saucer misclick, and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select one of those images by tapping on the chosen one, like that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click Done and tap on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. Tap on Apply over here, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!